Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a HUAWEI Nova 11i and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and tap on About Phone. Now let's keep tapping on the software version in order to activate the developer options. If you want to learn more about them, find the video which I've just recorded about the developer options. I will explain much more. Then let's enter the system and updates and enter developer options. Here we have to find this option, automatic system updates. As you can see, this option is turned off in my case. If you want to turn it on, just tap on the switcher, and basically from now on your device is allowed to apply the updates when it will be restarted. So you do not really have to remember about manually updating your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time. Of course, you can turn it off the same way. So basically that's all. This is how to activate the automatic system updates in your HUAWEI Nova 11i. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.